Hi dear, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how my students at EREX Academy of Fashion was able to make this beautiful asymmetric edition neckline flare blouse from the very scratch. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful blouse from the very scratch, stay till the end of the video and keep watching. Meanwhile, my name is ogui. I'm the creative director of EREX Academy of Fashion and the writer of the books Pattern Making for the Shapely African Woman and Advanced Pattern Mastery for the African Woman. So let's get down to business. So the first thing we did was to make, so if you looked at the first video before the main video started, you see Nena's original pattern. Nena is the name of the student that made the blouse. So she made the blouse, made her basic pattern for a shoulder darted blouse, and after making the pattern, she used the main pattern, which is a master pattern, to cut another pattern paper as if she's cutting her main material. So after cutting it, she used paper gum, masking tape to piece it together like so, and then drew the shape she wanted. So you can see the shape there. So we're going to use net on the upper part, and then the fabric we just take the left, the right, and then the middle parts. So we're going to add 0.5 inches up on the net area, then 0.5 inches below. That's the parts for the fabric, because that's going to be the sewing allowance. You're going to join it. You wouldn't want to join just like that without sewing allowance. Okay, so you just add sewing allowance to all the areas you're going to slit and all that. So you get your fabric ready. These are the fabrics. You just get it ready, air stay, gum stay, then you join it together. At all stages, you're going to constantly be guided by your pattern. You have your pattern beside you. You can take a picture of it. You can still keep the pattern beside you so that you know exactly the final effect you're expecting to have on the main fabric, so that it will align with the pattern. Meanwhile, you can follow us on Instagram at EREX Fashion. You can follow us on our Facebook page Maison d'EREX, or our other Facebook page EREX Academy of Fashion. Okay, so you're just going to join the pieces like this and stitch with exactly 0.5 inches. 0.5 inches is our sewing allowance, so we're going to stitch with exactly that sewing allowance. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and then you can ask about any other videos you would like me to make. I'll be glad to make them. So after pinning like this, you're going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch using exactly 0.5 inch sewing allowance. So this is how this part is going to look when we're done stitching. So you trim off this excess on this end. You also start pinning the other side too. So for you to make this outfit, you need to know how to make a shoulder darted blouse. So I have 2 videos on how to make shoulder darted blouse patterns in this channel. I'll post the link in the description box. Okay, so by the time I was done with this, I discovered that it didn't rhyme, like the lips didn't get to this edge, so I have to remove the pins and then fix back the net so that it will get to the edge. Okay, so this is how it looks after we're done pinning. The next thing we're going to do is to take it to the sewing machine and sew very neatly. And this is how it looks. Make sure you're using the same color of thread as the line, as the net, so that it doesn't show. You know, the net is a sheer layer that is transparent. So we're going to get the lining for the upper part and turn it over neatly. Then we'll also get the lining for the lower part and turn it neatly so that the rough side doesn't touch the skin. So now we're going to grab the net on one end and grab the fabric and hold them together with pins, then stitch all the way. So this project actually took some time. It took more than 3 days for her to work on it. She's an intermediate student of EREX Academy of Fashion, so she was working on it intermittently, and work stopped and all that. So by the time she turned the upper parts with the lining and turned the lower parts with the lining, this is what we have. So you can see how neat it looks. And then she joined the sides to stitch the armhole and fixed the sleeves. So this is the inside look. And this is the very beautiful outside look. Thank you for watching. It's really been nice having you here on this channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next training video.